on beach. Today, let me tell you a beautiful story about Lord Hanuman. On a beautiful and peaceful morning, little Hanuman woke up early, full of energy and joy. The sky was bright and a golden glow filled the air. His little tummy rumbled. "I'm so hungry," he thought. His bright eyes searched around to see if he could spot a delicious fruit. That's when he looked up and saw the glowing sun shining in the sky. "What a big, juicy fruit," he thought with excitement. With a giggle, baby Hanuman leaped high into the sky. Up he flew, reaching for the shining fruit. He soared past clouds, smiling and fearless. Nothing could stop the little hero's playful adventure. The gods were surprised to see him racing towards the sun. Finally, Lord Indra gently stepped in to control the situation. He made little Hanuman pause. Lord Indra spoke kindly and guided him with care. Hanuman listened, his heart full of trust. Little Hanuman began to understand. Maybe not everything bright is meant to be touched. From that day on, our brave little hero used his strength wisely. His curiosity stayed, but now with a touch of wisdom. That day, baby Hanuman learned a valuable lesson. Curiosity and strength are gifts, but true wisdom comes from listening to good advice and using our powers responsibly. And with that, it also brings us to the end of our story. Did you like it? For more such fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. The links are available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.